Hello everyone, welcome to another video. I'm Michelle. Today we're going to look at the Potomac Best Bead Box from April. Alright, and I'll leave a link in the description box below if you're interested in the box. Alright, this month's theme is Garden of Eden. Oh, that sounds nice. And with the Best Bead Box you get one pattern. And this month's pattern is, ooh, isn't that pretty? The Eden leather wrap bracelet. That's cute. And then you get, of course, the illustrated and the written instructions. Alright, let's take a look at the products that go into that Eden leather wrap bracelet first. Okay. 2 hole tiles. Here we go. Copper. And these are the check tile beads. And copper. That's pretty. It's got like a red side. Some of them are more red and some are more orange. There's not many of them there though. Probably just enough to make that, you know, tile, that bracelet. Leather cording, 2 mil. Alright, and this is brown. It looks like about 2 feet. Okay. Mayuki seed beads, 11 O's. And we've got 2 types of 11 O's here. That's a cool color there. It's like a mustard, yellowish, brownish green. I don't know. Let's see. Durcoat opaque. Let's just say it says S-P-A-N, span. But that's, I'm sure, it always cuts off before the words are over or you know, finished. So, and then there is opaque dark cream. Okay, it doesn't say how many grams are in each bag. Then we have another pack of 11 O's, and that looks like an ox blood, maybe, or pig chocolate. Those are really pretty. Okay. And then we have gemstone faceted round, 6 mil. Ah, Coffee Fire Agate. These are pretty. It looks kind of similar to Botswana Agate, I think. And they're faceted. Really pretty. Alright, and then we have dragon thread, 5 meters. Of green. And we also have a cut button. And what looks like to be copper. Yes, and there's 2 of them. I really love the cut buttons as closures. So there is the ingredients for the Eden leather wrap bracelet. And now let's look at the items, beads for the stash. Triangle bead scoop. A bead scoop, huh? Looks like a design tray as well. You could use it for. Let's put that over here. Potomac crystal disco balls, 8 mil. Those are pretty. What color are those? Golden shadow. These are nice. Potomac crystal teardrops, 6 by 8 mil. And Smoky Topaz AB. Let's see. Crimp tubes, 1 by 3 mil. These are long. And long, thin crimp tubes. Nice, and those are in antique copper. Pack of 100. Jump rings, 5 mil open jump rings. Pack of 72. drop duo. Now these are different. I don't think I've ever seen or worked with these. Aluminum silver, 3 by 6 mil. And they look like a drop on the front and the back, and they have 2 holes. Those are really cool. I can't wait to work with those. Yeah, very nice. And then we have check tulip flower beads. These are big ones. It doesn't say how big. But look at those. The colors in those. These are very pretty. I love that color. And then we have some 2-inch eye pins in copper. Pack of 36. Okay. So that's what we have this month for the Best Bead box. If you find value in my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get notified of all the latest videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.